Hello. Today's topic is about the impact of information technology on audit process. Let us understand what is information technology. Information technology or IT is the use of systematic appliances for storing, retrieving and sending information. Nowadays, auditor can store data of financial reporting electronically without physical documents printed out. However, there will always going to be the pros and cons that an auditor should be aware of and take consideration on the impact it could cause on audit process. Let us look at audit objective and scope of work in computerized environment. The audit objective that can be recognized is to improve the internal control system. This can be done by replacing manual system to information technology system in the internal control where it can help handle transactions which are complex. Another objective is to reduce material misstatements. When integrating the information technology, human error and miscalculation can be corrected automatically. While there are a few scope of work that can be recognized in computerized environment. First, high-speed process. It is where information generated very quickly which enable auditor to save more time for analytical review and audit evidence collection. Second, low clerical error. It is where error can be avoided since the computerized system can detect any error by scanning and processing of the information. Third, concentration of duties. Since it is automated, computerized program can perform multitasking action at a time to concentrate on duties involved in the work. Fourth, shifting of internal control base. Application system development control and system software control are designed to provide reasonable assurance that both of the system is acquired and developed in an authorized and efficient manner. Fifth, disappearance of manual reasonableness. It is an effort where a focused computer system are created by either deleting or managing the manual operations. Sixth, impact of poor system. It is where a proper care has to be taken to switch the manual operation to computerized system to avoid unnecessary harm and ensure quality standard performance. Seventh, exception reporting. It is a summary report which identifies events that are outside the scope of what is considered a normal range, where the strength of it is a selective recognition of effective information. And lastly, man-machine interface. It ensures maximum effectiveness of information system where the information presented to user are determined whether it is necessary to be achieved through analysis of the job. Now, let's us understand what does it mean in assessing risk of IT. Why assess risk? It is to identify the risk that may occur by using the information technology in audit process. Nature of risk includes lack of transaction trail. This risk is where the audit trail may be available for a short time or cannot be read by the computer and a complex transactions can cause error in the program application. It is difficult to be detected in time. Next, lack of segregation of duties. The risk is where an entity cannot delegate duties of control procedures such as in the manual procedure. Besides that, potential for errors and irregularities. This risk shows that human error which cannot be detected by the system might be occurring. Unauthorized data access without trace might happen as well. Other than that, lack of visible output. It is where certain transaction may not printed out and need to access the saved data in the computer. Moreover, ease of access to data and computer program. It is where control measure need to be reviewed by auditor to prevent unauthorized access and alteration of data since it can be edited through the computer or from remote location. Lastly, absence of input document. The risk of unsupported data may be entered into the computer without proper evidence may arise.